We found this VHS at a local thrift store in Richmond, British Columbia. We took it home to capture. Here are the highlights.
Morning folks, this is Ron and Margot showing up. Everybody else is asleep. Hey?
Good morning, Larry.
Good morning, all.
Have you been up for hours?
Oh, absolutely bloody hours.
Does Margot look like happy?
I had to swim to the boat to get on the bloody thing.
You did not.
Anyway, it's Granville Island and it's 7:30. There's Captain Sullivan. It's the tardy Captain Sullivan, I might add. And
You got a roar over there. Couple of skulls. Couple of scullers.
coming around under the Broad Street Bridge.
Right, get the scullers in, right? Right.
Where are they?
Right behind you. It's over here.
Starboard side? There they are, up for their morning roll.
This is beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous.
There we have Skipper Leacock at the helm. That is dearly beloved. To go fast. So we're now going slow as a result of we wanted to go fast.
Don't listen to him.
Montague Harbour.
The first day,
Ron, here's a wee bit of
first day,
steak.
half a minute.
Jenny,
delayed
you want a
start.
wee bit of steak?
No, this is for the
Sounds
butter.
great.
Do you want steak?
Alright.
Brendan
All
wants.
that's going to come.
And it just needs some.
Anyway,
For you folks that are not here,
Johnny, one
so here's to the two
This-
vice
this-
rear admirals.
Nice rear admiral.
Did hot, didn't it, Rob?
Catering
It did hot.
this is not.
Hi,
Rear
Lynn.
Admiral Doyle.
I didn't want to disappoint you. I'm in control in the
Hi,
kitchen.
Hi, Jan.
What colour's the face?
They let me have my own way. I'm red.
The steam is
I'm
coming
red,
off
but I'm
Margot.
happy.
Morning, and we'll take it for a walk like we used to. You know, I'll go for a walk and have you?
There's Montague in the morning. Tuesday morning, Montague.
On that 0835 Pacific Daylight Time.
Come on, light me some more ganja. Just off the coast of Jamaica.
It actually looks on the video that we're moving. We're actually on the dock and Robert's pretending to be at the helm.
We haven't left Granville Island yet. We're too scared. Good to get out of bridges. It's Wednesday.
Don't give us
So, excuse me, BCTV News, we understand you had a bit of a problem out there. Would you like to explain?
There was a whale jumped out and attacked us, so we fought it off, but it took our engine. So we were left struggling.
I fought all that stuff I learned, SAS, Navy SEALs, but we got here.
So, what actually happened there?
Well, actually, what actually happened was we were dying for a drink. This one here. Communion, Robbie. Have some.
Yeah, look, she made it.
Here.
Say hi, darling.
Trains, planes, and automobiles.
Trains, planes, and automobiles. Cheers.
Lovely to be here. I can just stay in
Well done.
the van like that. We do exactly
There
the
they
same.
are.
I did. I felt like the off. Hi, Brad.
Hi, how are you? Guess who's here?
Where's she?
You're famous, you're in the
I lost one, luckily.
Northwest Yachting.
You know, I forgot to
This
bring
guy here.
Every time she goes away.
I brought extras,
That guy there.
but I forgot
guy?
the little
That guy?
container, so I
You?
got a glass again. No. Yeah,
This guy,
I
yeah.
did.
Every time
Hey,
she
there's me in it.
Is she?
I know.
You need a dish, don't you?
Oh, one goes missing, you get somebody.
Yeah.
Look, you'll see a handprints on the wheel.
There's Lynn at the helm. Out of Silver Bay, heading for Bowen Island. There's Jenny and there's the very lucky Chef Leacock. And this guy here.
Hey, this is cool.
That's what they're doing, you know, through the jail.
Margot's feeling a little under the weather now.
Larry and I know it's all.
How are you feeling?
Like this.
We were
Okay, here we are. We're doing the constant 7 knots.
going around the Cape.
There he is, our skipper. There's another guy with a cravat on, trying to choke himself. He's looking good. Alright, this lad up here are all crapping themselves. My left ankle is in the lee rail, 6 inches above the water.